about.
Round 2, here we go. I blew the first one. Fell.
Oh, I got it! Oh, put your hips in, put your hips in.
Yep, like this.
Yep, and now rear down.
Wow!
Come on, go fight. Grabbing us a quick bite to eat because the fish aren't there yet, right?
That's right.
We're in the middle of tides, so we decided we'd go get a bite to eat. And we're at Uglies, which is on top of Nervous Nelly's on Fort Myers Beach. Great menu, it's awesome. We got this guy, he's hungry.
You guys something to drink? Out time.
And the fish were there. All right, go ahead and grab the big rod. GoPro, start recording. All right, wild man, I like it. No shirt, rocking the long hair. I dig it, this is gonna be good.
What you see is what you get, man.
I like that.
Man fishing.
All right, so what we're gonna start off with, we're gonna start off with this thing. And these are like personal pieces. Like, so pull this lever back. Yep. Pull a little bit of line off. There you go. Yep, take those off.
Check this out, Dad. You gotta see the stingray is gonna hook up on there.
All right, here's our little.
You caught these two?
And actually, my buddy Captain John. Oh, I gotta go over how to fight them. I almost did you wrong, man. That would not have been a nice guy to do. Nice to do. Okay, so Clay and I both wrestled. Clay went to a lot higher level than I did, though. Okay, so what you want to do, Clay? You're gonna take the butt of the rod and you stick that underneath your right hamstring. You're gonna take the reel and pull it into your hip like this. Okay? You see how it's the butt of the rod is tucked underneath the hamstring, so that's under the anchor point. And then the reel goes right into my hip, so it's all part of my body. Your hand always stays on the handle. So the lower you put your rod down, just like in wrestling, you know, when you get your head above the knee, you guys will snap you down, right? I have the same exact thing. So if you get your head above your knee, then it'll jerk you forward and go overboard. So you want to keep your hips underneath you. So when that fish takes off, the right thing to do is put your hips forward, okay? So he'll be taking off this way. Our chest forward, shoulders back. And this will be the position. When you get a bite, it's going to pop. Boom, like that. You reel with your hips through the fish. Okay? Don't do this. Because this puts your head above your knees and get the boat. Right?
So, is it something on its own? Right here?
When you realize this. So
I stay staggered, right?
Yep, staggered stance. So, Clay wrestled in junior college, and then he wrestled a lot in UFC, and got an awesome motor, so I know he's got the skill set to do well in the physical ability. Now, if I do a good job of teaching him the technique, he's going to do well. Usually guys like him are real coachable. You can coach him up to do a good job. So, right now, pretend like you got a big fish on, and let's say the big fish just ate. Do what you're supposed to do, ready? All right. He wasn't very coachable on that part. It's going to be way harder than what I just did, okay? So, you have to put your hips into it. Yeah. I mean, it's almost like you're sitting on the back butt of the rod. Yeah, like that. See how much harder it is? Now, see this? You're doing good keeping that straight. That's like it's straight. It's normal like a T-bug, right? But your hips need to go down on the butt of the rod. Actually, you have to touch that right there. So much more straight. So, same way I was just showing him. You're going to put the butt underneath your hamstring, pull the reel all the way into your hip. Now push on the end like this. See, I want you to step in like this. Hold on. Okay. Like this. See, he's not putting you to the floor. And see, Clay's stronger than me right now for sure, and he's probably stronger than me anyway. And
bust the ribs.
And if I can stop him from pushing it down, I know he can stop me. See how your hips control the rod. See, try to depend on your muscles. That's better. Now, when I see see where my first do this, I can tell you your muscle. Muscle to get out. You gotta have that leverage taken care of.
There we go. So I'm just loading it up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's okay to kind of keep it like this, or
yeah, much better. See how you're stopping it now? And see how I can't get it to the floor? Yeah, that's what you want to do. All right, start peeling line off. Yeah, you're at it's heavy action. So here we are. Clay's not nervous, he should be. Because now it's getting serious. We're right here filming this right in front of his face.
it's getting more real as the minutes go by. This is my workout for today. And tomorrow.
I like that. Oh yeah, we want to tuck those in. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Yeah, those are messy up all the way.
Just the line, right?
Flip your lever. How'd you feel about that first look?
I thought I was going over. I whipped out. Oh, crap.
All right, pull up. Here, let's see.
First opportunity.
Let's see if we're.
Damn it.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh,
Nah, he's off. All right. We gotta get you new bait.
0 for 1. Sorry,
That's all right.
guys.
We got started. It happened.
Round 2, here we go. I blew the first one. Felt it. I don't miss twice. All right, that's good enough, right? Lever up.
Yep. Lever up. Now, it rotated this time. It rotated.
Good.
Yeah, it rotated.
Should I reel in?
Yeah, reel until you get tight.
Rip my thumb right now.
I come this. Yeah. Yeah, a little closer to the edge.
I like this edge.
Why don't you want to get closer to the edge, Clay?
I don't want to become Cooper bait. I don't think they're vegetarian.
I don't think he likes getting closer to the edge. He's like, oh, are you just messing with me? All right, now Scoop, you want to go right underneath there. We got to get his bait in the prime category, prime territory here. Pops almost fell in the water there. He's like, I don't have anything, I don't want to get wet.
At the bell.
Oh, I got it!
Son of a gun now.
Keep your tip down.
Oh, put your hips in, put your hips in.
Yep, like this.
Yep, and now reel down.
Wow.
Now reel down, reel to the fish, reel to the fish.
Wow.
Woo! Come on, man. Now reel down. Oh, stay in the boat, baby. Go, reel down, reel down.
Oh, don't freak me off. Yeah!
Oh, stay in the boat, stay in the boat, stay in the boat.
I'll watch you.
Come on, go fight. All right, Monster Mike, he's trying it by himself. Woo!
Holy shit.
You gotta reel through the fish. All right, now stop, put your hips in. There you go, put your hips in. He's coming up, there you go, guys. He's right there, he's right there.
Wow.
Look at that, that's awesome. Woo!
Dad, you gotta grab my phone. I'm gonna take us some pictures.
All right, reel down.
Yeah.
There he is.
Oh my God.
What is he? Gotta be an 80?
Yeah, he's about 80 pounds. That's
Woo!
good, yes.
Oh my.
Look at that. That's awesome. Way to go, Clay.
Number 1. Look at the freaking fins on
He's gonna
these.
send you a movie or something. Right?
Yeah,
Look at
boy.
him.
Fish
I'll
lips.
shoot it for you.
My,
Give me a second.
my legs are shaking. Got one, Captain. Be careful. Grab that.
Look at this.
Careful on that
Yeah,
cable.
my
He's gonna
man.
Dad, I don't know if he's gonna dive again.
I know.
You got it.
I have no
Just
idea
keep it.
either. That nutri ain't hanging on either.
Holy cow. Listen. Yeah, this. I can't imagine. One bigger.
I really wish I had a camera.
Grab mine right there and slide it.
Here.
Push it. And then
I'll help you.
push the
I'll help you.
camera
I'll
button.
help you.
You don't even need the code. Just push the camera button on the bottom. You see the bottom
Yeah,
right? Just
there you go.
That's
Here
it?
you go. Yep.
Let me press that.
It's done snapping away.
Yep.
Absolutely a bunch.
Don't worry, man. I'm gonna get you set up. I'm gonna take the rod from you.
I couldn't imagine one day right in.
Okay, remember that picture, 540 pounds. This
Yeah.
is like a minnow.
That thing goes, yeah, that's a snack for him.
This is like a minnow.
Woo!
He eats this one.
Captain Ben,
Way to go,
chew on this TV. Holy crap, that thing is strong.
I let Clay do it all by himself. I'm like, I think he's got this one handling. Crazy, isn't
I
it?
got a baby
Man.
monster grouper. This thing is awesome, guys.
An 80-pounder, you saw, man. Professional UFC fighter, and he gave it his all on an 80-pounder. These guys are no joke. They fight hard.
These things are something else. It's a living dinosaur fish.
Yeah.
These things are strong as could be.
What do you
man.
got to say to Monster Mike?
Hey, Mikey, I think yours might be bigger, but man, this thing sure is strong. We got to get out. We got to get on these things together sometime, Mike. These are awesome. Hoover, you too, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for putting me out here, guys. This is absolutely incredible.
We'll have a party.
Let's do it.
All right, well, let's get some good pictures of it. Get you up on Instagram on your page.
You know it. Careful, Dad.
All right, my
Careful.
man.
My old man's
All
about
right,
to lose a finger.
we're gonna finish
Here
up
we go
right
again.
here. Hey, he's still fighting the
Careful,
fish.
Don't drop the phone in, please.
But hey, man, we appreciate you guys checking out the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show. And I'm here with Clay Guida, man, UFC fighter, and we had a blast.
Captain Ben puts us on it. He finds a big Goliath grouper. Does
Good
it
job,
right, guys.
my man. Godspeed, and we'll see you guys next episode.
Chew on his TV.